Good morning. So this is day one of our Hildegard program. And I would like to invite you to close your eyes for a second. Just turn your attention within, in and up. As if you wanted to reach up into the skies, the heavens, the universe, the core of everything. As we are aligning ourselves with the divine presence and with the spark within ourselves, we are grateful for the here and now. And if you can, please keep your eyes closed while I'm reading out our first day contemplation. Day 1. My day begins. Even though I lack the strength of lions and their courage, and I am but Adam's frail rib graced with a mystical spirit, I saw a blazing fire, incomprehensible, inextinguishable, totally alive, life itself. I just allow myself to see, to experience this image. To know more, to experience more, to connect deeper. I heard a voice from on high. Even though you are among the least of my creatures, and as a woman, unlettered, ill-prepared to read literature with scholarly understanding, I have nonetheless touched you with my light, which kindles in you a fire hot as the burning sun. Speak out and tell the world all that I show you. Do not be limited. Speak out about those things that through my spirit I have spoken to you, and you have come to understand. Do not be like those who should have shown my people the true way, but who perseveringly have remained silent about the justice they have come to know. Unwillingly to deny the evil desires that cling to them like masters and make them avoid the face of the Lord, ashamed to speak the truth. You, whom I have taught by mystical inspiration, even though you are trodden down by the masculine sex, speak openly and always of that fire you have seen and that burns within you. Suggestion for the day. All through the day, listen to the Spirit. We allow the words to sink in. And we know that we are chosen to know more, to experience more, to deepen our relationship with everything through our connection with the divine more. I am listening to Spirit today. I allow myself to be touched and lifted today. We take a deep breath. Let go. And slowly open our eyes. Baruch Hashem.